Yep, yeah. All you need.
On camera?
I think so. I don't know if I want to get that on camera. That's not when it's supposed to break. Alright, should only take about a minute.
Yeah.
That is.
Dead yet? I wonder where he's walking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you walk up the main trail?
You see that the boys recognized him up there?
Said, they asked him for some food by the stream.
Those guys did?
Yeah.
No way. You guys are kind of a big deal. That's cool. I wonder who those boys were. Ask for your autograph too?
No, I didn't hear that. I wrote that with the time.
Hey buddy. How you doing? Okay. We just sessioned the 3 jumps on overdrive real quick. Adam snapped the lever, so he's replacing it. Hey, we were thinking it might be good to session that and get footage of it. So he snapped that, so we're gonna fix that real quick, and then we're gonna do full pull on overdrive, and then we'll work our way over to jumping mouse. And then, dude, after that, I think we'll bail. And you're more than welcome to take my bike if you want to walk some more time out here, dude. Okay. Cool. We'll see you over at the top. That's nice. Bye bye.
Did you fix it or did you just walk it up?
It sounded like you needed some new parts because that derailleur hanger was bent.
I over that. Oh yeah. Are we gonna do the full cover?
I don't think we'll get footage today.
And just like that.